So today I want to do something with my N33sx. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there's a problem with the hard disk. So I need to replace the hard disk. I looked around, found some parts, maybe this one, or maybe this one. But for now, let's boot the machine. I don't know if it's visible on the camera. Machine has 6 MB, 06, 01, 6 KB, okay. Yeah, then it's complaining about the battery. The battery is ordered. Maybe it will be here on time, so I can replace it in this video. I went for the option of an CR2032 with connector, so it's easily to connect and reconnect. I was also thinking about this one and use an SD card extender. The hard disk is somewhere around here, and if I put in the extender I can wire it to the side. At the side there is a blank plane for normally a modem, but I don't have that modem and I'm not thinking about using that modem. So maybe I get an extender and put it over there. Now I'll unscrew the machine and replace the hard disk. At the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and this one hidden behind a little plastic part, 4. Then you can click and remove it. Already unscrewed the standby battery. This battery is used when you remove the main battery, this one, and replace it with another one. I just got it, I think. I don't need it. And this one has a connector. I ordered a new one for, a small one. The backup battery can be reached through this hole at the battery compartment. Now let's unscrew the hard disk. 1, 2, 3. I removed this one, but that wasn't necessary. Now you have to carefully unclip the wiring and you can remove the whole hard disk case. The wiring has been removed, and if I'm correctly, this can be lifted out. Yes. Now I can open it up and replace the hard disk. The hard disk is also spoken on the website ardent.com. It's the one Peter placed in my machine many years ago. So let's try if one of the other solutions works. So I placed in the SSD. Let's see if it's working. Replace the SSD with the EDA to SD card reader adapter. Maybe I buy an extender. From here I can loop the cable to here and make a new part so you can put in the SD card over there. Because I don't think I'm gonna use this 2400 Mbps modem, or I rewire it to the battery compartment. Well, I'm not sure. I have to think. First, let's see if it's working. So the SD card extender is 15 centimeters or 25. If I put everything in the space of the battery, yeah, 25 is needed. But I was thinking about using this one. 25. Maybe a little bit more than 25 is needed. So I'll hop on Amazon and see what they have. And then as soon as everything is here, I can put it back together. And let's see if it's working. Thank you for watching and see you next time.